Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check in online for your EasyJet flight using the EasyJet mobile app. First, make sure your EasyJet app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you don't run into any glitches during the check-in process. Next, open the app and log in to your account using your details. Once you're logged in, tap on My Flights at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all of your upcoming flights linked to your booking. Select the flight you want to check in for, and then tap Check In. At this point, the app may ask you to confirm your identity. Depending on your settings, that could be a Face ID, a quick code, or a document verification. Once you've confirmed your identity, review your booking details carefully. Make sure the flight information, passenger names, and booking reference are all correct. Scroll down and you'll see the boarding pass for your flight. Just tap on it to generate your pass and you're officially checked in. When it's time to board, simply show your digital boarding pass on your phone at the gate. No need to print anything out. And that's it. That's how you check in online with EasyJet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.